Howdy doodle dandy, welcome to yet another video. Today is yet another ink review, but this time it's Diamine Lilac Satin. Ooh, pretty purple. This is actually my first real purple ink. The other one I have is cartridge, not bottled ink. It's more of I don't know, that pinkish, reddish color, and not a purple, you know? Let's start off with the writing. This was in the Serwex 1362. It was really good. What I didn't know at first was that it shimmered. I completely did not know that. I didn't know that while doing the swatch or filling up the pen. So I didn't unsettle the shimmer. So I just swatched it down and was like, ooh, it looks pretty. But no, there's shimmer. It was just hidden at the bottom. And when I filled it up, I accidentally got some. The shimmer settled very quickly because this was my first time using a shimmering ink. It settled in 30 to 40 seconds. It all completely settled. There was a lot of shadowing, I called it, on the back of the page, it's very visible because, yet again, not much experience with ink. This was my first time, reviewing an ink, especially on this paper, so I had no baseline. There was very minimal bleeding, very rarely got through. The manuscript ink bled quite a bit, so when writing this, I unsettled the shimmer by shaking the pen 6 times. I was super scared of clogging the feed, because if the pen is tipped downwards, then all the shimmer can build up in the front of the nib and no more ink can get through. Or at least that's what I thought at the time. I'm still not sure if that can happen. When reverse writing, the shimmer was a lot more apparent because a lot thinner line. It could have been from the shimmer resettling on the front, and since it was reverse writing, the nib was at the bottom and all the shimmer just went right there. It's a very, very pretty purple. I hope the shimmer is being picked up very well. The next time I tried it was with the Fpr Guru. The first thing I noticed was that it had really bad hard starting, which sucked because this was also my first time, well, this was my second time trying this pen ever, and both of the times it had trouble, so that's why I call it the problem pen. There was a lot more shimmer with the feed. It's a lot wetter. This pen was a nightmare to clean out because of the shimmer, so I'm kind of scared of shimmer, even though ironically ink in here now is shimmer, but it's not Diamine Lilac Satin. It changes, you know. You know how it be. In the reverse writing, there is a lot of shimmer, and this got blocked up a lot. I hope the shimmering is coming through, because if it's not, then you can't really see how pretty of an ink this is. It was really nice, and I used it in 2 drawings. The first one was this drawing. I think it's very apparent where the purple is. It's the moon behind the tree. I used the purple because the shimmer I thought would very well suit the moon. In the second drawing, oh wait, no, I used it in more drawings after these 2. I also used it in this as the tops of the flame because, you know, why not? I used it in this drawing as streamers off this thing. Yeah, that's when I cleaned it out and moved on, I guess, is the technical term. But it's very nice. There's a lot of shimmer. When it's settling towards the feed, it didn't actually block it while drawing. It's very, very good. I would say it's also reliable. Rating it based on my 2 baseline inks, the Monteverde Caribbean Blue and the Noodler's Heart of Darkness, I would give this a 5.2. I'm very stingy with how I rate my ink, and I give it a 5.2 because it couldn't get past the Guru. It was really hard to clean out, but it's just of course it's a really, really nice purple. I haven't had a purple like this. There is a lot of shimmering, at least in real life, so 5.2. would use again above baseline. Thank you for watching.